Assalamu alaikum, hi viewers. In this lecture, I will tell you the if condition which is used in this video. So first of all, I will tell you the if condition usage in this small example to make it clear for everyone. For example, this is a scenario of marks two subjects, biology and math. In biology, there are 10 marks. In math, there are 20 marks and high marks. Now I want to indicate which of them are high marks. Absolutely, it is clear from the marks, but I want to tell the application of if condition. So I will press the equal and if bracket start. Now when I start the bracket, it tells me in this below picture that 2 to 3 hints. From this hint you can understand very well if condition. Now when you start bracket, first you have to enter the logic. For example, the 10 is greater than 20 is greater than is equal to everything logic. You have to enter it, the logic. If the logic is true, this first value will be returned. If it false, second value will be returned. So first of all, I will enter that for example, if I say that if math 20 is greater than biomarks, then the value which should it return to me, return to me, or the excel which give value to me should give me math marks. If it is false, then it have to give me biomarks. Now I'll close this. When I close this, press enter, this logic has been created. Now this is a simple scenario, everyone can understand that 20 is greater than 10, but here I have deliberately created this simple situation. Now for example, the biomark is 30, so if it's 30, then the logic says that the biomath marks is not greater than 30, so the first not the second condition has been passed. So this is a simple video of how to create this. Thank you very much. So please subscribe my channel for more the Excel videos.